This week is letter M, and this sweet little creature is a dwarf mongoose. So they're quite tiny, and he was quite far away, so his the image isn't all that clear, but anyway, he's a sweet little creature of the African bush. His head's It's funny when you're drawing animals you're not really familiar with. He's got lovely big eyes. I think this ear should be a little bit further out. And there. Oh, they've got a funny little pupil. It's can't really see it, but I think it's sort of a bit of an oblong, but an unusual shape. A little highlight there. I always like to establish the eyes quite early so they've got a nice dark in, and it sort of brings a bit of life to the drawing quite quickly. He was just sitting there with there was a few of them on this rock. Little grizzled fur that they've got is quite interesting. Just try and get a bit of his face in. So I'm only doing about 10 minutes, and then I'll refine it. Give it another few minutes. I'm just using a 2B pencil here. Just to get a bit of sketching practice in and having fun. I'm challenging with my academy students. They're all participating as well, so it's absolutely great to see all the creatures that they've come up with as well. And a bit of research behind it is along with the sketch. So we're all learning as we go about all the different animals that we discover. I'll just try and get his nose in here quite quickly. Sort of sweet little nose. It's quite small. It looks a bit like a hedgehog at the moment. finding the sketch paper not the best, but anyway, I've started in this book and I'll continue. Just shape a bit of the grizzled fur. He's a bit, he's got much shorter fur through here. Oops. Just a little chin. The thing with sketching is you can't be worried about the accuracy too much. It's the process of getting it done. It helps with your observation, helps with your proportions and judging quickly, and it's a nice balance to all that fine detailed work we do with our drawings. And always it's such an important part of in any medium that you do. You've got to be able to draw. The more you do, the easier it becomes. Just quickly get in some of this fur, and it's about my 10 minutes. A little bit of his body here. He's got a bit of a rock happening there. That little chin's way too big. Got a little paw just coming down there. Just probably it's a bit darker in there. Just quickly fill that in. Oh dear, I don't think it looks like a mongoose, but anyway. It's just a bit of fun. Looks a bit like a rock hyrax, I think, but anyway. Okay, leave it there.